Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a frame with newspaper. First, gather your materials. You'll need old newspapers, a ruler, a pair of scissors, and some craft glue. A pencil and a cutting mat will also be helpful for accuracy. Make sure your workspace is clean and flat, ready for your creative project. This easy method will help you transform everyday items into a unique frame in no time. Now, let's create the building blocks for your frame. Take your newspaper sheets and cut them into strips, each about 2 inches wide. Next, carefully roll each strip very tightly around a thin dowel or a skewer. This helps create a uniform and sturdy tube. Once rolled, secure the very end of each tube with a small dab of craft glue to prevent it from unraveling. Repeat this process to make several tubes. With your newspaper tubes ready, it's time to assemble the frame. Lay out 4 tubes to form your desired rectangular or square shape. Carefully measure and cut the tubes to the exact dimensions you need for your picture or artwork. Apply a generous amount of glue to each corner where the tubes meet. Hold them firmly in place, ensuring each corner forms a perfect 90-degree angle for a strong frame. To make your frame even sturdier, consider adding extra layers of newspaper tubes, gluing them on top of the existing ones. Once the glue is completely dry, apply a protective coat of clear varnish or paint. This will add durability and a polished finish. Finally, unleash your creativity. Decorate your unique newspaper frame with paint, glitter, or any other embellishments to match your personal style.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.